In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header image in Google Forms. If you want your form to look polished and on brand, the header image is the first thing people see. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through getting into Google Forms, picking a starting template, opening the theme controls, removing the existing header, and adding your own image with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Forms. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account so your form saves where you expect. When the Forms homepage loads, look toward the top for Template Gallery. Click it to expand the full set of templates. This gives you a quick way to start with a layout that already has sections, sample questions, and sometimes a default graphic up top. Choose a template that's close to what you need and click it to open the editor. You'll land on the form canvas where you can see the title, description, and any sample fields. Across the top of your form is the header area, the banner that sets the visual tone for the entire page. To change that, look to the top right area of the editor for the Customize theme icon. It looks like a color palette. Click it to open the theme panel on the right. This panel controls your fonts, colors, and header image all in one place so you don't have to dig through multiple menus. In the header section of this panel, first click Remove Header Image. This clears any default or previous graphics so you're working with a clean slate. Removing is a good habit because it ensures nothing conflicts with your new design or crops unexpectedly when you replace it. Next, click Choose Image. A window will open with options to select a new header. You can pick from Google's built-in galleries, pull from your Google Photos, or upload a file from your computer. Wide, banner-shaped images work best here. Think a panoramic proportion rather than a tall photo. If the image is very tall, you'll likely see a crop tool. Drag the handles to frame the portion you want to display across the top. After you select your image and confirm, Forms will apply it to the header. You'll see the change immediately on your canvas. You may also notice the accent colors of your form update automatically to complement your new header, which helps everything look cohesive without extra work. That's it. Your header is now replaced and your form has a fresh, customized look. Thanks for watching and enjoy designing your next form with a header that truly represents your project or brand.